go. This is our traditional jar that was used to store water, and also our traditional beer. There's also another one, but then a bigger one from this one. It was used for cooking, and it was used for storing food. Like it always made the food to be hot, and for the water, it always made the water to be cold, even if it wasn't cold water. But then the minute that you store them in here, they become cold because you will be storing them for some few minutes. Then after, when you drink it, then it's already cold. So our grandfathers used to store water and drink beers from this, to store our traditional beer from this, our kwan. So we have different kinds of this. There are bigger ones than this one, because this one is the smallest size that I got. They were making this from clay, and they made this decoration from paint, and they also made drawings to decorate this pot. As you can see, it was used for storing water, and the water in here, it was always cold, because after some few minutes it becomes cold. So basically this, we use it as a freezer, as a small freezer back in the days, because there were no freezers and there were no fridges, so they were storing water in this. Then after some few minutes they usually drain after some few minutes, because the water was cold. So guys, this was our traditional jar, and also it was used for storing food, for the food to be always hot. And people back then used to do farming, and then when they come back, their wives would have food early in the morning, so the food would be cold by then. So by storing them in here, and they would find their food warm. So thank you guys.